LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. Today's beautiful Saturday, December 3rd, and we're going to Newport Beach Lamborghini. They're having a little event, like a Christmas little get-together for drive for kids. So I'm gonna go to a store right now, get a toy, and we're gonna head down to Newport Beach, and we're gonna have some fun. You know, Saturdays we relax and we have some fun, and I'll take you guys with me. I'm in my McLaren and it's cold outside, so that's why I got the roof up. Maybe once it get a little warmer we'll put the roof down, but for now we'll cruise like this. So lots of fun today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So for now, enjoy the ride. Gonna stop by, grab a toy real quick, and then we'll head down to meet with the rest of the guys. But man, I love Christmas. December, I feel like it's the best month ever. Lots of fun, lots of activities. Just got our toy, so now we could head down and meet with the rest of the fellas. But man, McLaren looking good. I love this car. Look how beautiful it looks. Man, best car ever so far. No problems, no nothing. Drives like a champ. It's always fun to get in here. Okay, fire in the hole. I lied. Tire pressure monitor keeps coming back, so it says I gotta go see the dealer. I'm going to see my buddy Brian. Hopefully he could reset that or tell me what I have to do to get rid of the light. But that's the only thing so far that came back is the tire pressure light. It comes back and goes away, so I guess McLaren, that's McLaren problem. And my wife made me coffee before I left. Delicious. Thank you, honey bunny, for taking care of me. And McLaren actually has cup holders, surprisingly. I love that. Sometimes we need cup holders. Just arrived. What's up, my friend? Как дела, друг мой?
О, мой друг, добрый день.
Добрый день. День добрый.
Володя.
That's like a Russian, you know?
Yeah.
You got your Porsche?
Yeah.
Nice. We need to get you a Ferrari or a Lamborghini. Something nice and bright. Good. Beautiful Saturday.
He's coming 10 minutes late.
Gonna have a lot of fun today. We'll take you guys with us. You guys gotta see all the cool cars. The party is here, so now we could road together to Newport Beach Lamborghini. Gonna have some fun. What's up?
Oh, man. That I had.
What's up, Nick? That's a big line. And we're here. Full house, man. It's going to be very, very busy. Pretty good.
I'm gonna have you make a left right here. You're gonna pull down this road. There is a blue 720S with the door open.
Okay.
Go ahead and back in right next to him. That'd be
Perfect.
awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So we just got inside. I got my bracelet. Gonna go to VIP area, get some breakfast going, and then we'll walk around and record all the cool cars. But man, this place is busy. Lots of cool and very expensive cars. So we're gonna go drop off our toy. Hello. Yep.
Thank you.
Yep, thank you guys. That's a wrap for today, man. A lot of fun, a lot of beautiful cars. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I sure did. And also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!